This is my new Zippo. Don't hate on the Cubs. Alright, so while I was on my 8th grade trip to Memphis, Tennessee, I thought I'd make up some new Zippo lighter tricks, so here they are. Alright, that's just the first part. That's how you do it. Here's what you do. You hold the lid so that the hinge is over there. With a quick movement, you go down, you grab the lid, you swing it up, so your lighter should be positioned like this. You pull it like this, and it takes some skill. I still haven't gotten it yet. And you move, and you should drop it. But still, it's a hard trick, but it's really cool. What's the next one? This is the ring finger. Here's how you do it. Hold your lighter like this. Hinge over here. You. God, I can't think of any more. It's too late. Shit. Well, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Peace out.